Hi everybody, welcome back to Bene Course. Today topic is about MySQL. If you people who are always already learned MySQL and what's RDBMS or what is a DBMS, so if you have learned that, if you are also you have little bit brush up to our MySQL basics, then this video is for you to learn some concepts about data analytics. What are the concepts that included in MySQL? Especially this video is I will explaining the filtering method. For example, in this case, I will discuss this in where class. So where class usages. Where class usages, for example, where class we can filter records using this class. Okay, along with your select statement. For example, here is a where class syntax in MySQL. This is especially for MySQL. So you can use select keyword, symbol, all symbol from keyword, then your table name, then where class keyword, then column name and operators. The operators can be anything, in operator, logical operator, or a comparison operator. Okay, after that you have the appearance. Appearance like if you compare that value with someone, you can use. If you use the in operator, you can mention those fields inside your parentheses. That's how the syntax is where class is used. Okay, different statements we can along with where class. I mean, so along with where class, we can use wherever the where class is used with statements. For example, select statement, update, delete, subquery, join, CTE, etc. And some other places also we can use where class. Okay. So based on that, I will solve 5 questions. Okay. So this is my entire table. If you want to see my table, this is my table. Okay, this is my table and fields and records. So if you want to describe my table, so there are some data types, constraints, all you can see here. Okay, well, let's start with the solving some problems that you will understand what exactly where class filtering. Okay, so first question is write a query to display the name, first name, last name. For example, select first, first name, then last name, and the salary column. You have to select your column fields from the table that I'm using your employees table. Okay. Then you can use your where class keyword where salary is not in the range through this. For example, here you have to mention the column. Okay, here where salary you can use in operator only the specified value should exist, but if we use between, that is the range, not they want salary is not in the range, so not keyword. The logical operator, then you have the between keyword, not between 30,000 and operator to use 40,000. This is the keyword that we are using for filtering those fields. See, these are the values that salary is not between this range. So this is how where class fetching or retrieving those values along with specify some operators. This is operator. These are the operands. Second question will be category display select same thing. Just I'm copying those values. That's better for writing your query. They want first name, last name, office ID instead of salary column and give office ID of all employees. Office should be 10 or 2. The office ID, wherever the location, office location 10 or 2 is maybe building or any office located number, you can use your in operator to finding this office ID in. So wherever the office ID 2 or 10, take anyone, that's no issue. And we are ordered by, or by what? You can use office ID to sorting this data. Okay, let's see the output. See, these are the 2 and 10 office ID locations and their first name and last name. Okay, this is how fetching second method. And third one, 70% of the salary. Okay, salary where is not the range and the office ID 2 or 5. For example, same thing we have seen now, not salary, not between, not between 40,000 and 85,000. Okay, again you have to use and. Okay, and you have to use and. mm, is and office ID in to of y. So let's execute this code to see the output. Yes, we are seeing that if you want to see the office ID also, then mention the office ID. These are the records. The salary is not between this range and the office ID 215. Okay, okay, let's jump into this one. This is especially for filtering text values using where class. Okay, what they want? They want display last name. Display the last name of all employees. So last name. So I want to see the first name also. First name. Okay, you come up. Okay, here from employees who have first name ends with VY and DY. So here I want to filter the use value first name. Here we can use like operator. If you use like operator, you have to use double statement. You have to use two more statements, but that's not advisable. So use regular expression for this. I'll use VY, pipe simple, DY, end of the record. I mean end of the text. Okay, so you can see first name, last name. The first name, they want last name of employees whose first name end with the VY and DY. That's record has been fetched. Okay, this is the final one question. Write a query to display the last name, job, salary performed, whose job is that of social worker or a junior executive, and whose salary is not equal to. Okay. So write what they want. They want last name. They want last name and job title, then the salary from to avoid execution. What to give the column from employees, job not in no job title in. They have to give this in the single quotes because of the string. We have to mention them in the string format only. And further, you want to filter salary, not not in not in this values. For example, 70,000, 70. Okay. So if I execute where clause I missed, sorry, where job title in social worker or junior executive and salary not in this range. I mean, not equal to this value. So this is social worker and junior executive jobs of an employee, and their salary is not equal to 70K or 80K or 15K. So these two persons are in this particular job title they are working, and their salary is not in this particular ranges. Okay, that's it about a where class. You can see multiple ways we can use where class along with some operators, comparison operators, or existing operators, so that that operator will check our records existence. Okay, so thank you guys for patience having with this video to help. I hope this video helped you so much about where class. This is uh, a best way to describe about battle because when we solving problems using the questions so that we will gain so much of knowledge. Thank you so much.